Welcome back, campers. This week's video we're going to be fitting the curtains to the van. So I've bought my curtains from Shore Vans. There are other places you can buy them, VanX, etc. All varying prices. The reviews were good on the Shore Vans ones and they were really well priced, so that's what I went for. I've bought 2 side window curtains, tailgate curtain, and also the cab blinds as well. Not the cab divider, but the individual cab windows. One of the reasons I went for the Shore Vans ones is that they come partially pre-bent, whereas maybe some of the other brands like VanX are straight and you have to bend them in yourself, and they cost about the same. So with these ones I believe they still need a bit of forming, but the ends are sort of pre-bent. So I bought these. They come pre-packaged. They've got labels on to say which one's which, just so that you get them right, because they're slightly different lengths obviously because of the windows. Comes with the curtain and also a little fitting kit for the poppers for the tie backs as well. So let's get on with it and start fitting these curtains. Okay, so these are the rails that come with it. You can see it's labelled. It says behind, driver, down, so we know this is the bottom one. And the instructions also say that the lip is inward facing, so there's a slightly larger radius on one of these and then a bit flatter on the back side, so we know that this is going on this window here, on the bottom here. As you can see, it's sort of slightly curved but not. This bottom one's pretty good actually. This corner might need sort of fettling in a bit, and then so it comes with a pack of screws and the end pieces and a few spare clips. So yeah, the instructions say to put these end pieces on before screwing. So once again my microphone died, but this is what we're going to do. So going back to the carpeting video, got the old soldering iron out and I'm just basically punching the holes through with the soldering iron so that you've got a clean space for the drill bit. Obviously otherwise, a 2mm drill bit will just absolutely absorb all the carpet, so we just want to get that out of the way. So that's done, and then we're just going to come back in and go through with this center screw, and I'm going to do the center one obviously so that we're all nice and in line, and then once that one's done we can then drill through sort of the 2 on the outsides as well. So just putting that first screw in now, so we can use that as the reference to drill the other 2 holes, just to make sure that we're all lined up right. And now, as you'd expect, we drill the other 2 holes, make sure we get it right, and then basically that's that one done, and we just repeat again for the top. And I'm just using some carpet here, as you can probably see, just because I found the angle you needed to put the drill bit, it just started wearing slightly on the edge of the window, so that's just to protect that basically. Okay, so there you go, that's that one fit, that's what it looks like. So I've got the end pieces on now, and then I've just used a rubber mallet basically just to flex the ends down a bit. And also when you put those 2 end pieces, when you finally screw those through, they'll obviously pull it down a bit tighter, but you can't do that, or at least you can do one side and then you can do the other side when you've actually fit the curtain itself. So now we just thread our curtains on. They're designed to stretch. They recommend that you do sort of bottom first and then pull it up onto the top. So that's a full set of kit, and then we just repeat. So now we just repeat that on the other side. So we just mark up on this left side here where we're going to put the poppers, drill the holes, and then they go on, and then that's it, pretty much done. And then obviously the curtain will go all the way over like so. So we're on the tailgate now, and now we've got to fit the rails. So on the top rail is coming in, and then that sits flush on the line here, and then that will go over into the corner on both sides. So drill those holes and then fix that one in. Okay, so this lower rail sits across the full width here. Now, because I've got this wiper cover, I don't actually have a wiper, but I've bought a cover just so it fills that void nicely. I'm basically going to have to bend around this so that it can sit flush. So I just need to know exactly where I'm going to bend it. So I'm just going to mark that up and then try and bend it around so that it sort of contours nicely. Okay, so I've literally just bent this over my knee, and then see it bends round there, and then I'm just gonna line up a hole, get it right, and then obviously drill the holes through for that. The rail fixed, I'm going to put the ends on and then bend those back into place. Okay, so for this main cab curtain here, essentially all you need to do is just drill the poppers into the trim here. You just need a 2mm drill bit. Don't go any bigger because otherwise, it's just the plastic holding it on. Then the poppers just hold it in place, and then there's these straps here that just kind of go over the back of the sun visors, and then that's kind of it. And then the side ones, they just are magnets, so they're just held on by magnets that just pop on the sides, and then that kind of goes all the way around. Just pop that up there, and that's it. Once again, thanks for watching. I hope you found this curtain installation video useful. If you did, please do like and subscribe. Feel free to drop some comments down below. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.